Hello friends, I'm AASTHA Raj and today I'm going to talk about quadrilaterals, which is a very important topic for all of us. So before knowing what is quadrilateral, we should know what is polygon. So a polygon is a simple closed figure made up of only line segments. Now what are line segments? Line segments are a line which has two definite point and a definite length. It can't be extended. It has its fixed length. So a simple closed figure which is made from only line segments, those figures are called polygons. So a three-sided polygon is called a triangle and a four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. So as we know, a three-sided polygon is called a triangle. In the same way, four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. So we can see in the figure given below that it is a three-sided polygon which is called a triangle, whereas this is a four-sided polygon which is called a quadrilateral. So this is the difference between polygon, this is polygon, three-sided polygon, and this is four-sided polygon which is called quadrilaterals. So let's talk about side and vertices. The line segments forming a polygon are called side of the polygon. So as we know, the polygon is made up of line segments. So those line segments are called sides of the polygon. And whereas the point where two sides meet is called vertex, and the point where two line segments meet is called vertex. So in the given figure, as we can see, this is a polygon. This is a polygon, and in this figure we can see that AFFE, FD, BC, AB, and are its sides. These all are its the side of this polygon, whereas this point F, point E, point D, point C, point B, and point A are the vertex of this diagram. So hope you have understood. And second topic is diagonals. So the diagonals of a polygon is a line segment whose end points are two non-consecutive vertices. So what is non-consecutive? In a simple manner, non-consecutive means not neighbor vertex, means the close one, the neighbor one, like the neighbor of 1 is 2 and the neighbor of 2 is 3 and 1. So as in the same way, non-consecutive means not neighbor. So not non-consecutive of 2 is, like for example 4, 5, 6, 7 are non-consecutive of 2. So in the same way, in any diagram, in any polygon, the line segment which connects one point, 2 point which are non-consecutive means not neighbor, means if point A is, if there is a line segment, if there is a point A, its neighbor, its consecutive vertex will be BC. So the diagonal is that line which does not connect that point with its neighbor vertex. Diagonal is when the line segment connects one point from two non-consecutive means not neighbor vertex. So that line segment is called the diagonals. So we can see in this figure, this is a pentagon and their diagonals are given in this figure. So the line segment AC is one of its diagonal obtained on joining two non-consecutive vertices A and C. So here we can see that point A, point B, point C, point D and point A. So there is one diagonal, that is AD. So in this figure we have, you can see that we have connected point A from point D, which is not the neighbor of point A. This is simply called a diagonals. If we have connected A from B, then it will not considered as diagonal. We can connect anything with A with any non-consecutive like C, then also it is a diagonal. If we will connect B from E, then it is also diagonal, because we are connecting this point A to its non-consecutive to D and C. We are not connecting to E. We are not connecting to E and B. So this is simply called diagonals. This is simply called diagonals. And the total diagonals present in this pentagon are AD, BD, BE, CE in this diagram. Hope you have understand. So there is a note that this is a simple process to find the number of diagonals in a polygon. By this process, anyone can easily find the number of diagonals in any polygon. In any polygon means in a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. In any polygon, by this process we can find how many diagonals will lie. So this method is followed by a formula, which is n under bracket n minus 3 by 2. This is the formula. If n-sided polygon means, let n be the side of polygon, then formula is number of sides bracket number of sides minus 3 divided by 2. So this will be the diagonal present in n-sided polygon. So example is here, number of diagonals in a square. So in this question we have to find number of diagonals in a square. So as we know, number of sides, what is the formula? Number of sides under bracket number of sides minus 3 by divided by 2. So number of sides in a square, we know that 4. So 4 under bracket 4 minus 3 by 2. So after calculating all these, we will get 4 by 2, and after reducing it we will get 2. So therefore the answer is there will be 2 diagonals in a square. You can check by drawing a square and then drawing the diagonal. So you can see that the answer you will get is 2. So there are 2 diagonals in a square. So another example is for a pentagon. So number of sides in a pentagon is 5. So 5 under bracket 5 minus 3 by 2. So after calculating these all, I got 10 by 2 after reducing 5. So there will be 5 diagonals. So there will be 5 diagonals in a pentagon. So another topic is convex and concave polygons. What is convex and concave polygon? So if a line segment completely lies in the interior of a polygon, then it is called convex polygon. Whereas if a line segment's 2 points lies inside the polygon, but the line segment does not completely lie in the interior, then it is called concave polygon. So simply, what is convex polygon? If there is a polygon and a line segment, this is a polygon, and if a line segment lies inside this polygon, which is PQ, is lying inside this polygon, which is PQ. So its 2 point P and Q are completely lying inside this polygon, and this line segment is also completely lying inside it. Whereas in this figure you can see this is convex concave polygon. The 2 points of this line segment x and y are lying inside this polygon, but the main thing, that is the line segment is not completely inside this polygon, so it is called a concave polygon. Concave, this is called concave polygon. Hope you are understanding that if a line segment is completely lying inside a polygon, then it is called a convex polygon, and if the line segment's points are lying but the line segment is not completely lying inside the polygon, then it is called concave polygon. So another topic is regular polygon. So a polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal is called regular polygon. Whereas, and it is also called, this regular polygon is also called equilateral and equiangular. We know that equilateral means equal and equiangular means equilateral means equal sides, equiangular means equal angle. So a polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal, so that polygon is called regular polygon. So we can see in this figure, this is a triangle whose side as well as all the angles are equal, so this is a regular polygon. And this is a square whose all angles are 90 degree, which is equal, and this all sides are also equal. So this is a regular polygon, which is a square. So another topic is irregular polygons. A polygon which is not a regular polygon is called irregular polygons. Which is not a regular means different sides and angles. A polygon whose sides are different means a polygon whose one side is equal to 5 cm and another side measures 6 cm. So their sides are different and angles are also different, so that is called a irregular polygon. So two examples are here. This is a rectangle. You can see their angles are same, which is 90 degree, but you can see that their sides are not equal. All these four sides are different. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, but all the four sides does not measure the equal. So this is simply irregular polygon. This figure is also irregular. This figure is also irregular polygon because their angles are equal, but as in the previous, as in rectangle, their sides are not equal. So this is called irregular polygons. So there are other special name for polygons. There are various type of special polygons, which are there are various actually. So first one is triangle who have three sides. That is called a triangular. As I have said, the polygon which is three sided is called triangular. So this triangle can be regular as well as irregular. So this is a regular triangle, and this is a irregular triangle. So because this is regular, because its all sides are measures equal, and whereas in this picture this the sides of this triangle does not measure equal. And second is quadrilaterals, which has four sides. Four-sided polygon is called quadrilaterals. It's called quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral which has four sides. This is regular and this is irregular. As same as triangle, because this is regular because its all sides are equal. This one is irregular because its all sides are not equal. And other one is pentagon, who have five sides. This is regular pentagon, this is irregular pentagon. And other one is hexagon, which is six sides, which have six sides. Six-sided polygon is called hexagon. This is a regular hexagon and this is a irregular hexagon, because this hexagon has measures all sides equal and this hexagon does not measures equal length. And other one is heptagon. It is also called septagon. A polygon which has seven sides is called heptagon or septagon. This is a regular heptagon and this is a irregular heptagon. And other one is octagon. A eight-sided polygon is called octagon. A polygon which has eight sides is called octagon. This is, as you can see, that the length of all the sides in this polygon is equal, so it is regular polygon. Whereas in this diagram you can see that all the side does not measure equal, so this is a irregular octagon. Other one is nonagon. Nonagon is a nine-sided polygon, so you can see that this is a nine-sided polygon whose all nine sides are equal in length, so it is called regular nonagon. And whereas this is called irregular because all its nine sides measure different lengths. And other one and the last one is decagon, who has 10 sides. Means 10-sided polygon is called decagon. This is regular decagon and this is irregular decagon, because as I have discussed what is regular and irregular, whose all sides measures equal is called regular, whose all sides does not measure equal length is called irregular. So thank you, I've completed my topic. If you like the video, comment down, share and subscribe our channel.